What's up, YouTube? This is Soup.tv. I've been waiting for a package in the mail for about a month, actually. I ordered it last month. It's now the day after Easter, and my Japan crate came in. I got the mini. It would have been better if I would have got the large one first, and I could have shared more with friends. Now I'm be a little greedy and probably only share with April and Penelope, but that's cool. But anyways, let's open this thing up. I'm using two cameras because I want to vlog it, but I want to make sure people can see exactly what's going on. Yeah. This is what we got here, man. Mini Japan crate. It's got a custom sticker on it, which is cool. May be opened officially, and make sure I ain't shipping drugs or something. David Wingard, Chunky Soup. Anyways, man, let's get a knife and open it up. Now, unrelated to this video, I just bought a new knife. So we're going to use it because it's only right, but we're going to use my new Sensei Slicer. Is that what it says? Yeah, Sensei Slicer. Bought at the grocery store. Put it down so you can see it. Sensei Slicer. It was like 10 bucks or so. Alright, let's open this bad boy up. Cut away from yourself so you don't cut yourself, obviously. Oh, we love you. I should get that tattooed, and then somebody be like, why do you have the word t-shirt on you? Anyways, first impressions, yo, I'm smiling really big. I might want to vlog some more. Do a picture-in-picture or something. Just turn the phone on. All right, I'm actually smiling real big. Like, I may look like a grump, but I genuinely do get happy for things. Like when I see my daughter, when I go to exotics racing for the first time, and when I do shit like this. So let's get it, bro. I see chips already. Japan crate. I used to take Japanese, but I got a D in that class, so I'm not even going to try to act like I know what that means. Volume 22, April 2017. You can tell it's Japanese because it opens from the right to left. Crate goods and stuff. I'm just going to do a run through of everything that's in here right now, then I'll record another segment, everything in it. So we got some Mikey popcorn, most likely shrimp flavored. Can't forget to use the camera. I see some candy, like lifesaver looking mints, little chickies and ducks, some more chips. This looks fun. Is this a sucker? Yep, we got a sucker. Man, if I could read, I could read. Let's get all the ingredients. And it feels like some more chips. And that's my Japan crate mini, yo. I'm gonna keep this box. Experience Japan through candy. Alright, so on to the next segment, man. Let's try these things.